All right, so here's my newest project. It is a 96 328 IS. Obviously isn't the cleanest. You can see it's got all this tint coming off, so it needs new that. The trunk looks like it might have some clear coat peeling in some spots, but overall it's decently clean. The only part where clear coat really is peeling is on the hood right there, so we might try to respray that with clear or just find a different hood video or a complete separate video. It does have a kind of Frankenstein interior. You can see it was originally this tan interior, but the motor and trans that was swapped from a donor car also had a black interior, so it's got some black, some tan, so I'm going to take care of that too. The body has 152 and supposedly the motor and trans have 80,000. You can see it actually, I think it cleaned up pretty good. I didn't put that much time into it. It obviously still needs paint correction. Headlight needs to be fixed. The thing is, the last owner said it needs a water pump, so he gave me one with it. I don't see any signs of why it would need one, but I'm gonna do that anyways just to be safe. Now the motor's swapped. There's lots of random wires like unplugged. There's here's a broken wire I found. I don't even know what this is for, so if you know what that plug is right there, that'd be helpful because I got no clue. Found this plug. It looks like a camshaft position sensor or something like that, and I don't know, I'm pretty confused on why that's there. It has aux fans, and I don't know what he did, but somehow he got the clutch fan to stop spinning. So the clutch fan is wired in right there, or I guess the aux fans. So I don't know. I definitely feel like that should be rewired, and I don't feel like it's done properly. So if anybody has a way to properly wire that, that'd be super helpful because I'm not a big wiring guy right now. More random crap like that. So anyways, right now it needs a new belt and a water pump, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Along with, also it's got oil leaks everywhere. It's leaking oil from this Vanos return line. It needs a valve cover gasket, and then I'm going to do the oil filter housing gasket as well. Other than that, the car actually runs and drives really solid. The fans do work, but like I said, that wiring's kind of jank, so they work intermittently, which is kind of scary, so I gotta fix that. It's got the M Contour wheels. And yeah, I think that's about it for it. This tint obviously is really bad, and this guy is probably gonna come off because I'm not a big Pikachu guy. Yeah. Alright, so got the radiator, the fan shroud, the expansion tank. I think that's what it's called on e36. And then it's just pulling the water pump out. You can see this motor, valve cover gasket definitely needs to be done. I got one on the way already though. So here's the old tensioner that I replaced. You can see the tension bolt was snapped off from the last owner. So as you can tell, the last owner did a crappy custom exhaust, and it sounds like crap, so I gotta figure that out. But I put the new water pump, a new belt tensioner, new belts. So this car just needs a lot of maintenance, and I don't really want to be like a DIY channel, but today I'm gonna knock some more stuff out it's getting late and I just got off work, so we'll see how much we can get done. Definitely don't just want to do like one thing at a time and upload singular videos, because like I said, I don't want to be a DIY channel. So I'll get the box from FCP and show you. Valve cover, gasket, everything that comes in that kit, and then Vanos return line, taillight, and then I got an oil filter housing gasket too that I'm not going to do today. So I'm going to get going on getting this valve cover off. Alright, so I got this tube off. All you do is push the sides. Now, I believe I can pull it off. There we go. There's what we're looking like. I'm not really sure what looks good and what looks bad. There's definitely a lot of oil around the seal, so I can tell you that was definitely bad. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt, there we go, pull this old gasket off, which actually, it doesn't feel terrible. I've seen a lot more than like very brittle, but it's definitely old. Alright, so we got the new gasket on. This part is kind of annoying, getting all these new washers and garments on. And taking the old ones out. The old ones are like really brittle though, so it's probably worth it. So I got the valve cover replaced, water pump, the tensioner, new belts, and I think that was all in this video. Lots more stuff. Here is every single cooling hose for the entire car. So that'll be in the next video, but pretty much this is gonna wrap this one up. I'll give you guys a quick startup and you can hear it. The last owner said he did a custom exhaust and it just has a massive exhaust leak, so it kind of sounds like crap. Hopefully it starts. Also, I'm having an issue with the battery draining. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like. So I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure trans mounts are supposed to be connected to the transmission.
Everywhere I go, I'm a messed up kid.